Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. A lot of people that are new to the channel ask me, what can you get from a food pantry? And then what do you do with it when you get it? Well, come with me and I'm going to show you.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Starting from left to right, this is a really cool haul we got today, nieces and nephews. Check it out. I got some eggs. Liquid gold, as you know. 2 dozen. Let's take a look here. Yes, these are going to do nicely. Cakes, breakfast, quiche. Oh, anybody want to see my breakfast quiche? Yeah, that's coming up. Now, we also got 2 spicy noodle soups. Now, I don't do these, but Jay and my sister do. My wife loves these things. I wish you saw eating them. I didn't say that for the record, just saying. All right, we got some. Oh, her spirit is in here. We got some light mixed fruit, which is really good. 2 cans of tuna. And I really like this. This fruit spread, this is really nice. It goes with peanut butter and jelly, but you can also fill crescent rolls with this, and it bakes up real good. Now, check this out. We got some hibiscus tea. This makes a great tea and a great punch. You can serve this cold, and it's delicious. I got 2 peanut butter and jellies, some salt-free green beans. Now, you know I love that. Oh, 2 cans of black beans. So that's going to play into what we're going to make today for lunch for the kids. I got a chicken noodle soup. I got a tomato soup. And I got some pink salmon. Dean on the scene is going to make his salmon croquettes the Cajun way, because Mardi Gras is coming up, and we're also going to do some gumbo. Now, we got some dried garbanzo beans, and we got some corn tortillas. Yes. Or tortillas, as you're supposed to say it. Elbow macaroni, and 2 macaroni and cheese. I got some taco seasoning back there, so you know what I'm going to do. Yes, taco salads. We got some walnuts. Got some rice. Oh, yeah. Raisins. Love me some raisins. I got a tomato. I don't do 1 tomato? I don't know. Hey, I'm glad I got it. We got some cabbage. Now, you know what? I'm going to make some smoky bacon and cabbage. You're going to love that one. It's really good. Look at this. We got a whole bag of iceberg lettuce. Look at that. Now, look. See, some of this has bad parts to it, but you cut that off. As you know, you get those in the grocery store, too. Just like that place that's selling imperfect foods, the ugly foods that aren't perfect. See, your lettuce is good. And we got tons of them in here. A whole bag. But I show you how to do these things, okay? Now, we got a whole bag of onions, 3 bags of baby carrots, and a pineapple. Not only is this a pineapple, but once you use the pineapple, cut this top off. You can root it and make a pineapple plant. I'm going to show you that, okay? Now, we got some ground beef. Green beef, I wouldn't eat that. Ground beef. Let's see, how much is this? It's a pound. Yep. Some white chicken in the pack. We got 2 packs of that. This makes a great chicken salad. Or chicken to top a salad. It would be really nice. We got some catfish nuggets. And look at this. Some mini tacos. I'm going to go taco and taco salad crazy. Look at this. We got a rustic veggie pizza. Now, if you don't know, these are really good. Smoked and roasted veggies on top of a pizza. You can't go wrong. And finally, Look at this. We got a happy birthday cookie. You know, the chocolate chip kind that's all decorated. For me, it's a little sweet, but Jay is going to love it. He's going to love it. Now you see, on an average day, what you get from the food pantry. All right? Now, take a good look so you know what you can get. And remember, you can go to more than one food pantry if you like. But this is a true blessing. Now, just like I said, we're going to make some taco salads from Taco Bell. Well, my version. See this cute little taco shell I made? Yeah. I'm going to show you how to do it. You can serve each kid one, and they're great. Or you can make the bigger ones. But I think these little ones are cute and just right for the kids' lunch. So come on, let me show you how you do it. What you're going to need for ingredients is, of course, some taco seasoning, low sodium preferred, some pickled beets. I don't care what nobody says, it's not a salad without some pickled beets. Some sour cream, some salsa, guacamole, taco style cheese. Oh, yes. I'm using ranch dressing, but you can use the dressing of your choice. Some banana peppers, tortillas, and the star of the show, of course, some lettuce, tomatoes, and sliced onions. I've also sliced up some green pepper to give it a bit of that fajita taste. You know what I'm saying? It adds that wonderful, well-rounded flavor. Now, let's start by browning our 1 pound of ground beef. All right, the first thing we're going to do is saute our green pepper, because sometimes that'll stay crunchy and the meat will be done before the green pepper is, and you don't want crunchy green pepper in your meat. No. So let's get that sauteed up. Now that we have the green pepper halfway done, we're going to add our ground beef. Continue cooking until ground beef is thoroughly browned. Wow, that came out so good. Okay, now at this point, I have taken off some of the oil. Not all of it. I'm going to add my taco seasoning. I'm going to mix that in thoroughly till it makes its own sauce. Now, once this has happened, I want you to add 1/2 cup water. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salsa. Just one now. Don't want it too watery. Okay. We're going to let this cook down until it all thickens up into a nice sauce with the meat. Now, after this, I want to show you guys how I made those wonderful taco shells. So what we're going to do here, we're going to have some hot oil. Not too hot. We're going to have a tortilla the same size almost as the pot. We're going to have a potato masher, and we're going to use that to push the tortilla into the hot oil slowly. Very slowly. You don't want to push the oil out of the pot. So therefore, you want to have the oil at least 1 inch to 1/2 inch lower than the lip of the pot. Now see how I lowered that in there? Now you keep it down there until it keeps the shape. The potato masher does the work for you. You see that? It's going to keep the shape just like that, okay? We're going to do that till the tortilla is crispy. Then take it out and let it drain. Simple as that. Now, nieces and nephews, you see how that came out? Wonderful. Just remove it from the hot oil, place it in your paper towel to drain, upside down, so you get all the oil out of it. Once it is drained properly, we're going to use it to start filling and making our taco salad. Come on, let me show you how. Yes, let's build this taco salad. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay, first things first. Let's take some of our meat mixture and put that on the bottom. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Look at the red sauce. Look at the red sauce. Yes, put plenty or as much as you want. I just like to have a lot, you know. Now, we're going to put some cheese over top of that because you want the cheese to kind of melt down into the meat. And also it makes a layer to protect your lettuce so it will not wilt. How about that? So now we're going to put some lettuce on top of that cheese. You know what's coming next. Yes, yes, yes. Some onions. Put as much as you want or as little as you want. Break them up, but make sure you got some kind in every bite if you like them. Yeah. Now, we'll put our tomatoes over top of that. I love tomatoes. Over top of which we're going to put a nice helping of guacamole. And then, of course, we're going to put some sour cream. Adding to the flavors. Then, of course, let's take our salsa and put some of that there. Now, guess what? Guess what? What we're going to put next? You got it. Some of those banana peppers. You know, I like a little spice on my food because, you know, well, Southern boy has to have a little spice. Now, I'm going to put some beets. You don't have to do that. I just happen to like beets in my salad, okay? Because this is a salad after all. Now, guess what we're going to put? Yes, sprinkle it with cheese. Let it rain with cheese. I love cheese, okay? I'm putting some more meat on top of that because I can do that. I'm going to put some more guacamole because I like the layers in my salad. I really do. It makes the flavors just so intense. Again, with the sour cream to garnish on top. And then, of course, what are we going to do? Salsa. We have to have salsa. It's a taco salad. Yes. Now, once I've done that, I am going to put my dressing. Yes. I'm going to drizzle some ranch over the top. Not a lot, because remember, you've got all those layers of flavor. And it is so good. And when, you know, you bite into it or put your fork into it, you got it. There it is. Ta-da! Isn't that cool? Your very own taco salad like you get at a fast food joint. Where's the camera lens? Oh, okay. I love this. I absolutely love this. You can make it, just like I said, be careful when you're putting the tortilla in the frying oil. Do it slowly and make sure that oil is not too high to the rim of the pot so it doesn't spill out and cause a grease fire, okay? And if you do spill oil, you put flour or salt on it, not water, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. I want you all to like, comment, and subscribe. Jay will be back, but every day this week I'm going to try to put out a video, at least every couple days, as quick as I can, okay? Wait till you see what I got coming up on Lazy Cooking. All right. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?